Yes, I'm Petralia. I used to be for 5 years member of Minister, ministers and acting in politics, but I'm the vice president of the International Foundation, the International Olympic Committee for Olympic. Are here Institute for Cultural Diplomacy. So I would say we can solve problems, we can start solving, and we can try. This will take time through cultural diplomacy and through the understanding between the peoples. So the problem now is, especially for the refugees, this is a big problem which we face in Greece and we face in the Mediterranean and the Aegean Sea. Our neighbor used to be the Sea of Oka and the Sea for friendship. Became the Sea of. We have so many drugs. This is which has to be solved. And, Greece, Turkey, of course, Turkey should really and trust and treaties with the because I believe through that we can a solution for the problems of so many refugees through Turkey to Greece, and this should be a very operation, and we a lot, and personally have a lot of friends in Turkey, and politicians really friends, and we really see there, and we are very to the Turkish people with the terror attacks. This morning, a new something to collaborate, because it is the problem with the terrorism is in houses. I mean, is in Europe. It's not imported terrorism anymore. It's there. It's terrorism. So I heard you this morning speaking about. I think that through culture, generations, brothers and sisters, and nothing to do with our religion, faith, first human right. All of us free in our life to be Muslim, Christian, to be whatever, or for this need. And we have respecting diversity is the key word.